What's happening, Captains? So good to see you again. If you're watching this video, you obviously want to know about the Manta sleep sound. So let's not waste any time and let's get into it. Now, as you can tell from the start of the video, I've had this thing for about a year, and I get it because I need a sleep mask of some sort to sleep. I have problems with sleeping, so I always try to help myself out as best as possible. But the combination that I like the most is a mask and something in my ears to kind of help shut off my brain, right? Some kind of noise, classical music, a podcast, whatever. Something that I can hear and focus on when I'm going to sleep. My initial impressions of it were very good, but how's it held up over the last year? Is it something that I still reach for every night, or have I moved on to something else? Well, I'm happy to report, usage-wise, it is something that has become indispensable for me. I use this thing every single evening. No exaggeration. This thing has just been such an integral part of my sleep routine. I take it everywhere. Even when I'm outdoors, I use this thing to sleep. Now, how's it held up? How's the battery life on it? How are the audio and all that kind of stuff after a year? Because this isn't a cheap product by any means, especially for a sleep mask. So is it worth your money? Well, let's find out. Let's get into all of that. Overall, it's held up pretty well, wear and tear wise. If you notice here, there's been a little bit of discoloration on the eye caps, but it hasn't affected them in any way. It just kind of took out the orange color here. But I also have these eye cups that I got from my Sleep Pro, which I was using before I got this, and either works fine. These just look nicer, and I like that they're all black, so I've been using those. The Velcro on the front has held up fairly well, and being able to remove it like this is still so useful because I can just peel this thing off and then wash this part and the eye cups and everything whenever I need to. Generally for me, it's once a week or so is kind of what I'm doing with that. But sometimes it'll go longer. It just kind of depends on how hot it is and how much I'm sweating in my sleep and stuff like that. Now, I will say one thing, after months of washes, the fabric here that you Velcro into gets a little matted, so the Velcro doesn't quite hold as well as you want it to, but you can easily fluff it back up with a sweater comb or something. And so it's all still holding up, all the hooks and the hook and loop part of it are holding up, but you just gotta kind of fluff it up over the year after using it a bunch to keep it working. Now, battery life, how good is that? Honestly, still very impressed. That is something that I was super worried about, right? Because sometimes people will cheap out with the electronic parts of things like this. And the electronics in this are still really, really good. You can look here, this is me going on 2 full nights of sleep, and I'm only down to 70% of my battery. It's done remarkably well in that regards. The speakers still sound exactly like they did when I started using it. There's been no degradation in the past year on that, other than honestly cosmetic things fraying here and discoloration that just won't come out anymore. It's really held up incredibly well, and I'm very thankful for that because, like I said, this isn't a cheap eye mask. This is kind of on the expensive end, but it's been so worth it because it's just been fantastic. I mean, at the end of the day, that's kind of my opinion about it because it just works how I need it to work. It's comfortable and it's very useful for my specific sleep needs. And the quality has been very good so far. But I just wanted to jump on here and give you guys a 1-year review update about this thing and my thoughts on it and how it's held up. I hope it's been helpful to you. And if you have any more questions about the Manta sleep sound, let me know in the comments below. All right, see ya.